Hi, here in our third tutorial for the Gear Ratio Analyzer, we want to touch on how to get the right information about your vehicle to complete the current vehicle configuration screen accurately. Don't have the answers off the top of your head? Don't worry. The things you don't know about your vehicle can usually be found with a little research. Here's a few options and suggestions. First, consider using a web-based VIN number decoder. Every vehicle has an exclusive VIN or Vehicle Identification Number. You can use it to uncover how your vehicle was originally equipped from the factory. You'll see the VIN number on the dashboard, looking from the outside of the vehicle through the lower right front corner of the windshield. You may also find it on a sticker on the driver's side door jamb, or on the title paperwork, or even on your insurance card in many cases. Decoding the VIN number may reveal the axle type, the factory installed gear ratio, the transmission type, and the original tire size, and more. We've linked a free VIN decoder at the top of the analyzer page up here. There are other VIN decoders on the web that may provide more complete information for your particular vehicle, though some will charge a fee for this service. You can also contact the manufacturer or dealer with your VIN number. Do take a picture so you have it for reference. They may be able to use it to look up the original build sheet. Some online auto parts companies may allow a VIN number search on their website or use your year, make, and model to show how vehicles like yours were originally equipped. To find the tire diameter in inches for common metric tire sizes, the sidewall is marked with a series of numbers. You may also find the original tire size on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. None of this, however, tells you the overall tire diameter. There are a series of calculations and conversions to find the actual tire diameter using the numbers on the sidewall, but we make it easy using the built-in tire calculator tool here. Just type in your sidewall values and the results appear below. Manually enter this into the current analysis screen. Note, clicking on the Use This Diameter button sends this value to the tire and gear analysis screen, not to the current vehicle configuration screen. So you do need to enter this manually. Note, some truck tires are still spec'd in inch versus metric. Here it's easy. The first number on the sidewall is the overall diameter in inches. If you're still searching for the differential type and ratio options, the Gear Ratio Analyzer provides a differential ID guide to help. Here, you'll need to complete 3 drop-down lists. Choose the manufacturer, then the category, and finally the differential type. Now, you'll see a picture of the differential cover or dropout assembly, additional specifications, plus all the common ratios available for this axle. Once done, the info is automatically added to the current vehicle configuration screen. Note, it's important to verify you've chosen the correct differential, so compare the differential cover shape and the number of mounting holes between this image and your actual differential picture. If they don't match, don't give up. You'll find more help by scrolling down. Here, there are 4 tabs, one for Ford ID tags, one for GM RPO codes, one for Dana Spicer, their BOM numbers, and another for Visual Axle Differential Identification. Bottom line, the Gears Unlimited Pro Gear and Transmission Analysis tool delivers the information you need to make smart choices and the tools to explore your options. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. If you have any questions about the analysis tool or what you need to move forward with your project, give us a call, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, or drop us a note anytime using the Contact Us form on our website at www.gearsunlimited.net. We have plans for more helpful tutorials in the future, so until next time, take care and bye for now.